After months of speculation, delays, and plenty of rumors, Sony is finally ready to release the highly anticipated A7V, a hybrid camera that combines state-of-the-art technology with the tried-and-true features that have made the Alpha series so popular among creators. Set to launch in mid-2025, the A7V marks the end of a prolonged wait, which was influenced by a combination of market strategy, supply chain challenges, and Sony's dedication to perfecting this next-generation camera. But the big question is, will it surpass the competition? Let's dive into the details. When Sony released the A7V at a price point of $2,500, it became a reference point for hybrid shooters, offering a 33-megapixel full-frame Exmor RCM sensor, impressive autofocus performance, and solid video capabilities. Recently, the A7V saw a price drop to $1,998 on platforms like Amazon, sparking rumors that the A7V's launch is imminent. The A7V is expected to come with a price tag of $2,799 to $2,999, placing it in direct competition with other cameras like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z6 III. This pricing strategy suggests that Sony aims to maintain its premium position in the mid-range full-frame market while ensuring its offering remains accessible. Though the A7V continues to be a solid choice, the upgrades expected in the A7V could make it a worthwhile investment for those looking for the latest and greatest in camera technology. One of the standout features of the A7V is its sensor. While some sources claim it will stick with the A7V's 33-megapixel sensor, there is a more exciting rumor. The A7V might feature a 42-megapixel backside illuminated full-frame sensor, possibly the IMX366 with stacked architecture. If true, this would represent a significant increase in resolution, offering sharper images and superior video quality, including 4K oversampling. This higher resolution would also address one of the A7V's shortcomings: rolling shutter issues, which could make the A7V more appealing for fast-paced video work. The BSI design is expected to improve low-light performance and dynamic range, which would further elevate the A7V's versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of shooting environments. Additionally, Sony is rumored to be equipping the A7V with a more powerful Bioenz XR processor, possibly coupled with an AI co-processor akin to the one in the Sony A93. This combination could revolutionize autofocus performance, providing lightning-fast subject tracking, including recognition and tracking of both human faces and animals, even in fast-moving situations. For videographers, this upgrade could mean smoother focus transitions and enhanced stabilization, reducing the reliance on external equipment for steady shots. With its AI-driven autofocus and advanced video features, the A7V could raise the bar for mid-range cameras, offering professional-level performance in a more affordable package. When it comes to video, the A7V is set to continue the legacy of the Alpha series. It's expected to record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, with no crop, a huge advantage for creators shooting slow-motion footage. This feature will provide more flexibility during composition, eliminating one of the significant drawbacks of previous models. On top of that, the A7V is expected to offer 10-bit 4.2.2 color depth, giving users more control over color grading and post-production workflows. While 8K video at 30 FPS may be possible with the 42-megapixel sensor, heat management issues may limit its practicality, making it a less appealing feature. Instead, Sony seems to be prioritizing high-quality 4K footage with improved heat dissipation to ensure consistent, reliable video performance. In terms of design, the A7V is expected to borrow some features from the Sony A93. The body is likely to have a more ergonomic design with a deeper grip, ensuring better handling, especially with larger lenses. While the A7V was praised for its durability, its weight was a common criticism. To address this, the A7V is rumored to be more compact and lightweight, while still retaining weather sealing for rugged use. The electronic viewfinder is also expected to get an upgrade, moving from the A7V's 3.68 million OLED to a 5.76 million OLED, providing sharper visuals, especially in bright conditions. The LCD panel is anticipated to be a 4-axis touchscreen, similar to the one found on the A7R5, giving users more freedom for creative compositions. and making the camera easier to navigate. This enhanced touch functionality will make the A7V more accessible to both novice users and seasoned professionals alike, streamlining the overall user experience. The A7V's delay, initially expected in February 2025, can be attributed to several factors. Sony is reportedly keeping a close eye on Canon's EOS R6 III launch to ensure the A7V remains competitive. Additionally, supply chain issues, particularly with the production of the Sony A12, have impacted the release timeline. Sony has also been focused on refining cutting-edge features like AI autofocus and video performance, ensuring that the A7V is polished and ready for the market. Furthermore, the company has shifted its focus to another E-mount full-frame camera, which is expected to launch in spring 2025. These adjustments have caused frustration for enthusiasts, but they also show Sony's commitment to delivering a top-tier product. With competitors like Nikon's Z5 Mark II and Panasonic's S9 offering strong full-frame options, Sony has had to adapt. The A74's recent price drop signals that the company is responding to the competitive landscape, and the A7V's rumored upgrades suggest Sony's dedication to providing both innovation and value in its offerings. When comparing the A74 to the A7V, the latter seems to be a more enticing option, especially with its rumored 42-megapixel sensor, advanced AI autofocus, and 4K 120fps video capabilities. However, for users on a budget, the A74 at its current price remains a very capable choice. For those looking for cutting-edge technology and a versatile camera, the A7V promises to be a fantastic option for both photographers and videographers. Conclusion: the Sony A7V is shaping up to be an incredible release, blending the best features of its predecessors with new and innovative upgrades. Set to launch between May and June 2025, with a price tag of $2,799 to $2,799, the A7V will be a strong contender in the full-frame camera market. With its advanced autofocus system, superior video capabilities, and cutting-edge design, the A7V is poised to be a game-changer for hybrid creators. As Sony continues to fine-tune its strategy, the A7V's arrival will no doubt make waves in the world of mirrorless cameras. Thanks for watching.